We're here at Lagunitas New Brewery in Azusa, California. My name is Alphonse Sanderson. I'm the Engineered Piping Systems Product Manager for George Fisher. I'm here with Chuck from American Contractors. Chuck, good to see you today. Could you please tell us a little bit, first of all, about American Contractors and what you do for them?
I'm the foreman, one of the foremen of many at American Contractors. American Contractors has been around in the industry for about 35 years. We do underground systems. We do commercial, industrial, plumbing systems, design build. Anything to do with plumbing, that's our field.
The job site we're at here today is a recent installation of George Fisher's FuSeal piping system.
Yes, it is.
Could you tell us a little bit about what it's going to be used for?
It's an acid-resistant material. There's two systems. There's a high-strength system and a low-strength system, and each are piped independently from trench drains, which is the low strength, and the catch basins are the high strength, and those go out and get processed outside. So the two systems, that's what's involved. Really good tests on all of the joints we've had, probably around 300 joints. It's a good product. You have to follow directions to the T. If you do, you will not have a leak. It's
Very
awesome.
good.
Yeah,
good to hear. Good to hear. And we were also able to deliver some custom fabricated fittings from our shop.
Yes, I have the two systems run side by side, and one jumps up and over and catches a bunch of material in the back and futures. And I asked for a special fitting because it wasn't in their catalog. And he says, "Well, we don't make that fitting." They started designing it and engineering it. I think it was on a Thursday. It's an 8-inch spigot by socket FuSeal 16th bend, and I had it by Monday, and we kept on rolling. So
Great.
Yeah, that was pretty impressive.
Well, Chuck, I just wanted to say thank you for buying our system, and thanks for your time today. It's great to come out on site and see you guys plugging away and getting it installed.
Very much. I'm glad to meet you and glad to use your product.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alphonse.